Hi guys, Aussie Super Treasure Hunting here, and I've got here the L case of the Car Cultures, the Cars and Doughnuts series. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of this case, so you can all see what's coming in the Cars and Doughnuts Car Culture series. This one here has not yet hit Australian pegs. I'm not sure if it's actually going to. I don't know if I can even do the cars in order. I'm going to try. Okay, so here we have car number 1, and it's the McLaren P1 in a beautiful orange colour. Of course, it's all metal on metal and real riders. This is the Car Culture Premium range. So have a good look at that, everyone. Okay, car number 2 is something everyone's going to be looking for. The custom Datsun 240Z in this beautiful pearlescent white. You can't quite see it on the video, but that is just mint. Again, it's metal on metal with real riders. This is the Hot Wheels Premium range. Next car in the set is car number 3, the Alfred Guala Sprint GTA. That is car number 3 of 5. I love them rims on that. That's a really nice looking car. Very plain except for a couple of decals. That's going to be really highly sought after by collectors. Okay, car number 4 of 5 is the BMW M1 Pro car. It's got the BMW stripes on it, and that's a 79 on it. That's another really nice car, but of course the Car Cultures is they're all really nice. I hope you've all got your Japan Historics 2s. They've already come and gone at the shop, so on the shop pegs for probably less than 6 hours, I reckon. That's the car number 5 of 5, the Subaru Impreza WRX in that beautiful blue. It's got all tail decals. It also comes with the headlight decals and them sick rims. They're sick rims. Wish they were a little bit more gold like the colour of the packaging, but that is a really, really nice looking casting. So that's what's coming out, I guess, in Australia soon. I'm not sure if it is going to come in Australia because of the Japan Historics 2s already hitting the pegs. This was supposed to be the Car Culture set before Japan Historics 2s. So keep your eyes peeled, guys, and good luck with your hunts. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.